Are you ready to kick mediocrity to the curb? Then the Innovators Toolkit is your ticket to the Innovation Big League. This is an incredible program, and it's your secret sauce to becoming an innovation specialist, leaving the coulda-beens in the dust. Becoming a certified enterprise innovation specialist is more than a fancy title. It's your career game changer. We're talking about wielding the same power tools that giants like Cisco, British Airways, Gucci, L'Oreal, American Express, Virgin Media, and many more use right now. Only you get to use them too. The Innovators Toolkit is our biggest, most ambitious, and our largest, most comprehensive training program ever. It teaches you all the exercises, workshops, and sprints that have taken our team years to hone and that solve the common challenges you'll face every day in product strategy, design, and innovation. And the cherry on top? Mentorship from industry legends who aren't trainers or just facilitators. They're senior heavyweight consultants working with innovation leaders to solve their toughest, most important challenges. This is more than good advice. It's a roadmap to blowing past your goals. If you're tired of the status quo, if you're thirsty for practical solutions that redefine how you work and your career, then check us out online or join us at our next event. The future won't wait. And neither should you. Smash through the very real boundaries and write your very own innovation story.